Hi and welcome to another Free.volous webisode. Today I'm bringing you a bit of a tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now, which is peach and strawberry. I know it sounds really tacky, but I didn't come up with a better idea. Maybe for the title when I edit this. But anyway, I'm sorry for these pokey things. If you watched my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation up close and personal, you know my hair just woke up like this, and I'm just doing this makeup tutorial to take advantage of having some time in front of the camera and having my base done, and this is what I came up with. So the main focus are the colors that I used. So peaches on the eyes and a bit more of a strawberry on the cheeks, so a pop of bright reddish pink, and you can go either or on your lips, and I went for quite affordable products today, so I can give you some recommendations. For the peach eye, I used mainly Beach Blanket, which is this yellowy apricot kind of color, and wait for it. These are both by Colourpop, so really nice and affordable. Let me tell you, I still think they are worth the customs and all of that faff, because it's still very affordable. And then for my cheeks, I hope these have not been discontinued, but again, NYX is a great resource for this. But I use 2 Sephora collection blushes, and they always have sales here in Portugal, and I bought these for I think €3 or €5 each, so very affordable. And if you see something from NYX that looks like this, if this has been discontinued, go for it. This one is Can't Stop Smiling, and it's the most sweet, light, apricot-y shade with a hint of pink. And you would think it doesn't show up on my skin. It does. And this is Hey Jealousy number 17, which is this bright, pinky red, which is beautiful. Again, you can use, if you have something like this, as blushes. You can use them on your eyes and don't have to go and buy specific eyeshadows. A great all-rounder, the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. It doesn't have those light apricot-y shades, but it has this peachy orange color here, and it has the deeper reddish color. Great option. Then for the lips, you can go either or. So with my more red peach version, I went for Colourpop BOOTIE, which is a matte X. If this color has been discontinued, again, alternatives will abound in that website. And the NYX Butter Gloss in Peach Crisp. And for this more pinky version, the strawberry more like version, I have Bee's Knees Blotted Lip and a bit of the gloss, just to melt the lipstick and don't make it as intense on the lips, make it look a bit more smooth. So these are my suggestions of alternatives. If you can't find this or that product, you can always go around. Also, NYX does the HD blushes, which are really good, huge array of colors. So look around and look for this kind of color scheme and try it out. If you do, link me on Instagram if you have an account. I am at the Free.volous, and if you get some inspiration from this look and you replicate it, I would love to see it. So tag me on Instagram on your photo if you replicate this. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for being there. And yeah, other than that, let's jump into the tutorial. So here we go, applying a wash of Beach Blanket from Colourpop all over my lid up to my crease. I'm so sorry for the terrible music, but that's what we do when we don't have money. This is Wait For It, also by Colourpop, which is more corally. It's brighter, and I'm applying it with the same brush onto the outer corners of the eye, just to give it a pop of color. And then I'm going to blend these two together with a fluffy brush. I'm not building up the color too much because I want kind of a watercolor flush on the skin instead of a very harsh blob of color. I find it more springy and summery this way. So I'm blending it right now, and then I'm going to go with a bit more color where I think it's needed with both the colors. How many times do I say color in one tutorial? We will never know. And blend again. So build it up and then blend it as needed. Next, I'm defining my upper waterline with some Brownie, the highliner from Marc Jacobs. And then a few coats of your favorite mascara. You know I like Better Than Sex for that fluffy lash look. And that's what rocks my boat. Whatever floats yours, go for it. I'm not going to do anything on my lower lash line. Next, Sephora blusher in Can't Stop Smiling. It's such a cute name and color. It's really beautiful. Underneath, I have a touch of bronzer, also from Colourpop, and a bit of highlighter from Colourpop. Everything will be linked on my blogs as usual, so check the links in the description box. On top of the apricot-y blush, I'm going to put this raspberry pink to give it a beautiful more pink flush. Again, to have that watercolor effect, I'm going to apply less, but you can go for it. And then I'm going to blend it into my skin with my sponge. Finally, the lips. This is BOOTIE from Colourpop. It's a Lippie Sticks matte one, and I'm just blotting it and blending it onto my lips, and then I'm going to apply the NYX Butter Gloss on top to melt it onto the lips. In the intro and outro of this video, I'm wearing these knees, which is again along the raspberry side of things with the same gloss on top. So you have two options here, going for the peach or for the strawberry. And that's it. It's done. I'm just reapplying a bit more blusher to emphasize the pinkiness. And this is the finished look. I hope you like it. So that's a wrap. This is my strawberries and peaches. Oh God, I feel like a Too-Faced ad. I don't know. Kind of affordable makeup look. I hope you have enjoyed this video. As I said, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take a look at my older videos. Share my videos with people you think would enjoy them. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Tag me on your pictures on Instagram if you replicate my looks. And other than that, have a great week. I hope I see you soon. Thank you for spending your time on me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.